name is Kelvin, Microsoft Certified Trainer and Microsoft Office Specialist Expert. In this video 62, I would like to share with you a very complicated task. Now, I'm going to look for a data that is coming from a database, but the obstacle that I'm having is that the lookup array is kind of messy and it contains non-printable characters. So I'm going to use trim, clean, index, and match to solve this problem. So let's take a look. Now, I have here a database where you notice that the customer name are in a mess. And fortunately, it's only the customer name. Now, I'm going to call out Oliver Taylor and January. So let's say I go for December. So Oliver Taylor, December. I would like to find out the customer name, location, account number, and the amount. Now, first of all, let's find out how can we clean up this data. So if I put here equals to clean, then I want to trim this particular column. And I already named this column as customer name. So customer name. Okay. So if I press enter, oops, it should be a double enter. There you go. But I don't want it to be repeated. Okay. So this is actually the list of name that I have here, and it's already cleaned up. It's already cleaned up. So I'm going to use this as my we call this data that I'm going to use. All right, data that I'm going to look up. So here I'm going to use equals to. Now I'm going to look for the name that is coming from that particular column, right? So I'm going to put index. Okay, so the column that I'm looking for is the customer column, but I can't use that. I'm going to use trim. Then I'm going to put clean and customer name. Close. So I'm going to pull up this list of names that is very clean. Now, but this thing is I need to look for the one that matches TCH match the two criteria, not just one but two. So I need to call out this guy, right? And this. Okay. And I need to look up array. The lookup array is going to be this column, right? Which means I need this information again, this whole thing again. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put here, and I'll put an N, this column here called sales month. Okay, so I'm going to ask them to look inside that particular column. I'm going to ask them to look for the exact match. First double quote, right? And let me see, did I miss out anything? All right, looks good. There you go. I have Oliver Taylor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this formula. Copy. And I go to this cell. I'm going to paste it. But this time, I'm going to make this easier. This is going to be just location, which I already named it as location. Then this one, I'll just name it as account number. I'm going to pull this out. Replace this with account number. And the last one here, I will replace it with something here for amount. Yes, enter. That's it. You see that? So what happened now is if I change this to, let's say, Liam Anderson, now, and it comes up with an error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Excel, if there's an error, just put an if error. Sorry about that. If error. So if error, then I'm going to leave it empty. So leave it empty and don't show me the error. So let's do the if error again. And yeah, just give me a second to clean this up. Sorry, should have just closed it. I should put on that. We go, and the last one here, if error. And go to the back, There you go. So for Liam Anderson, there's only October and July. There you go, October and July. So let me just change it to Eva Martinez, and Eva Martinez only have September, September and June. Yeah, so I can do that. So I hope you like this video. Yeah, you can watch this and please share it with lots of people out there who need this kind of work without actually doing a lot of cleaning up, but just using formula. There are many ways to do this, but this is what I can think of now, and I would like to share it with you. So I hope you like the video. Again, please like and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.